Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 76 Bancroft Street, apartment A4, and this is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment in Auburn, Massachusetts. And I'm just gonna start by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So just behind me, you have two doors. You have a small storage closet to the left and then the main door out to the hallway on my right. This is a small, kind of like a condo community. There's only a couple structures. It's mostly, open space. There's the garage right there. There's one of those garage bays come with this apartment. So it's a nice, quaint little area, and then that comes through from the hallway. I'm just gonna kind of go around and try to give you the best idea of the dimensions and the size of this place as I can. One big thing that you really notice is this big spiral staircase right in the middle of the living room going up to the second floor, which is the bedroom, the full bathroom and everything up there, which really goes well with this living room area. Hardwood floors here and upstairs, stainless steel, full set of the appliances with that dishwasher, and there's a washer and dryer machines upstairs. So we're gonna take a look at all of that in just a second. This is the half bathroom over here. So you get one half bath with the vanity mirror, small cabinet, and the toilet. Nice tile floors also right there. This is the living room from this angle. It's easily big enough for like an entertainment system, plus a sectional couch. All that could really fit in here pretty well. And then, you just have this very nice view of the greens, kind of the common grounds. And over here is this closet. So you got a storage closet right there. Then you come over here and you can see everything that the kitchen's got to offer. So you have this island, stainless steel island, fridge. You got a 5-top electric stove with the range hood, get the light and the fan and everything. And that dishwasher that I mentioned already. And then you kind of see the rest of it. So looks really nice with the color scheme and the grays, everything. Got this nice blue accent wall over here. The fresh paint in here looks good too. And now we're gonna go up the spiral staircase to take a look at the rest of the apartment. If you go up, kind of just do a loop around the stairs, same thing going down. And this is the second floor. So that comes up, you have a little bit of like a space with this white right here. And then you have the high ceilings, kind of triangle ceilings room, but very high ceilings on it. A lot of times when you see a triangle shaped room, it just means that you're at the roof and there's not a lot of space. This is plenty of clearance from ground to ceiling. You see the hardwood floors in here too. Same thing as downstairs, and you got the same tile in this one as downstairs. So you can take a look at that here. There's a little bit of hardwood in this room, and then that goes out to the back hallway. And you can kind of see how big this bathroom is, but the majority of the bathroom is just here on this side. You have a granite style countertop. You have this shower slash tub setup with the tub and the vanity mirror and everything there with the toilet. So if you want to see a full list of all of our vacancies, you can go to nexuswor.com and go to our for rent page. That'll show everything that we have for rent right now, and you can set up something with a leasing agent. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester, 76 Bancroft Street, apartment A4.